You're welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to look at the disposal of fixed assets. Disposing of something, it's like selling it out. Yeah, selling out something, that's what we call disposal of assets. So it's what we are going to look at in this video. First of all, what are the reasons for disposal of fixed assets? There are very many reasons. Maybe it is outdated, it's past its useful life, change in technology, change in the line of production, maybe it's no longer needed, stuff like that. Yeah, so we are going to look at the accounting entries when it comes to disposal of assets. So these are the accounting entries when it comes to disposal of assets. First of all, where there is disposal, we shall have what we call the disposal account. And the main purpose of the disposal account is to determine whether there is a loss or a gain on disposal. To determine whether there is a loss or gain on disposal. So we have three accounting entries when it comes to disposal of assets. Every time there is disposal, these are the three entries that are supposed to be made. First is when there is disposal, the first thing that we do is debit the disposal account, then credit the asset account with the cost. With the cost of the asset, the initial cost of the asset. Then secondly, we debit the accumulated depreciation account and then credit the disposal account with the depreciation amount. Then depreciation, right? Then thirdly, we debit, like when you dispose of, you're supposed to get cash. So when you get that cash, it means that the cash account is increasing or cash is increasing. So we debit cash account and then credit the disposal account. So that's what we do. So where there is disposal, we shall have the cash account, disposal account, accumulated depreciation account, and then the asset account. So let's have an example. It says an asset which originally cost 20,000. So the cost is 20,000. Has been depreciated at 2,000 per year for 3 years. So the cost is 20,000. Depreciation has been depreciated at 2,000 per year for 3 years. So accumulated depreciation, it is like the total depreciation of all the years of an asset. So it will be 2,000 times 3, so it will be 6,000. Then, and it was sold for 15,000, so the selling price is 15,000. Selling price is 15,000. And then here, like on the third entry, we use the selling price. So required, they want us to prepare the relevant ledger accounts. So we start with this disposal account. Debit, then credit, then asset account. Debit and then credit. So the asset account will have an opening balance. Will have an opening balance, like its cost. Firstly, the opening balance. When we buy an asset, we debit it. So balance brought down will be the 20,000. Yeah. Then when we dispose it off, when you dispose of something, you're selling, you dispose of the asset. The asset is decreasing and it decreases by crediting. So here we said we debit the disposal account, then credit the asset account with the cost. So we come here, disposal account, on the debit side we put the asset, which is 20,000. Then we come here on the credit side, we write disposal 20,000. So this account is going to balance, since this side is equal to this side, 20,000, 20,000, and we shall not have any balance carried down. Then this is done. Then we say, secondly, we debit the accumulated depreciation account and credit disposal. So we prepare the accumulated depreciation account, debit, then credit. So we debit accumulated depreciation account. So we come here and put disposal, which is 6,000. Then we come here on the disposal account, we credit accumulated depreciation 6,000, like that. Then this is also done. The third entry is we debit cash and credit disposal. So we prepare the cash account, debit, credit. So we use the selling price, and the selling price is 15,000. So disposal 15,000. Then we come in the disposal account. On the credit side, we write cash 15,000. So we balance this one, 15,000, 15,000 minus 0. So balance carried down is 15,000. Same as here, 6,000, 6,000. Balance carried down is 6,000. Then for this, for the disposal account, we compare to see which side is greater. So this plus this, it is 21,000, and this side is 20,000. So 21 on both sides, 21,000. So since the credit side is greater than the debit side, it means that that is a profit. If the debit was greater than the credit, it would have been a loss. So this will be a gain on disposal. So 21,000 minus 20, gain on disposal of 1,000. So that is it. That is how we deal with disposal. Thanks for watching. In case of any questions, please ask.